Well, here we are. It is the 14th of January, '05, and we're getting ready to put this thing on Cozad low bed trailer. Southern Cal low bed is moving me, or Cal low bed is moving me down to San Diego, along real close to Lake Henshaw, and hopefully everything will go real smooth. Down off of S7, which is off of Highway 76, near the Paiute Indian Reservation. So anyway, just thought I'd get a shot of this before we head out. I'm going to track it up to the road and meet him up there and load it on the side of the road. Use the plasma cutter to knock off this little railroad tie on the back, or this railroad track rather. Turned out okay. I can grind that from there. Well, I guess I better get in the rig and start tracking. Take a look at the trailer I've put together and the muddy slop we have to live in here, that we've lived in. Okay, well, we're all set.